Children, this is your maths copy. So I have opened page number 8 and I am going to teach you sorting of number 3. So children, here balls are given and we have to do sorting of number 3 and we have to make sets of 3. Now look at my hand carefully. As we are going to do sorting of number 3, so I need to count 1 till 3 and I will put the dots in these balls like this. So here is the first ball. So I will count and put the dot 1, 2, 3. So I will check once again 1, 2, 3. So I will encircle these 3 balls without touching them. So this is the first set of number 3. Now I will move on to this ball and again I will count and put the dots 1, 2, 3 and I will encircle these 3 balls without touching them like this. Children, remember one thing, that sets can be made in any direction. So when I will move on to this ball, so I will count again 1, 2, 3 and I will enclose these 3 balls without touching them like this. Again I will count and I will put the dots 1, 2, 3 and I will encircle these 3 balls. I will count again 1, 2, 3 and I will make a set like this. So again I will count 1, 2, 3 and I will encircle these 3 balls. So again I will count 1, 2, 3 and I will encircle these 3 balls. And in the same way you have to make sets of these rest of the balls. So children, I have made the sets of 3 and after making the sets I will color these sets, and remember, always use light colors for coloring the sets. For example, yellow. So I will color the first set yellow and start coloring from the boundary so that your color may not go out of this boundary like this, and then color the inner part like this. You can also take orange color. So start coloring from the boundary. Pink, light green, peach, light blue, and in the same way color rest of the sets. So children, I have done sorting of number 3. Now under this you can see this headline of 1 and 2. So look at my hand. How am I going to write it? So start from this dot and come straight down like this. Again start from the dot and come straight down like this. After writing 1, I will write 2. Start from the dot. First make a round, come down and turn to the right side and stop here. And under this again, start from the dot, make a round, come down, and then turn to the right side. And in the same way, write the rest of the numbers. So children, I hope you will follow my instructions and do neat work.